Hi, my name is Kim. For my final project for Info 614, I reported on distributed computing for digital libraries. Before we get into the distributed computing side, I wanted to go over the difference between digital libraries versus electronic libraries. Even though the terms are used interchangeably, they are actually different. An electronic library is simply a digitized collection of materials, so it can be like your music library on iTunes or a collection of photographs. Electronic libraries are not available on a network. Digital libraries, on the other hand, are specifically connected to a network, which is why distributed computing is so vital for digital libraries. Many digital libraries are a collaboration between institutions such as museums and universities. We'll look at one of these examples, the World Digital Library. This is the home screen for the library. It is a collaboration of over 170 different institutions. So you can see they show their collections geographically according to which institution is providing the collection. So with over 170 different collections different institutions providing the collections all at the same time, distributed computing can be a little tricky to get all the collections in one spot. The problem is that each institution has different standards for their collections, so combining them can be an issue. One of the things that the people try to do with digital libraries is a union catalog, which basically creates a master catalog for all the collections, but it's not really practical with 170 different institutions because they would have to keep up with it, and it would be constantly changing. Not only would it be costly, but there would just be no way to keep up with it. Instead, they use the client-server protocol called Z39.50. It's maintained by the Library of Congress, and it is used for searching and retrieving data from distributed computer networks. It allows users to query and search databases. For my applied real-life scenario, I have the hypothetical research library called Elaine Hopkins Library, associated with the Hopkins School of Space Exploration. And basically they want to create a space exploration digital library, and would like to collaborate with the University of Leicester in the UK and NASA in the US. At present, the library has digitized their collection of documents, photographs, videos, and whatnot, and it's only in the computers in their lab, so it's not on a network yet. Basically, their network looks like this. They're connected to their ISP through the university, and they have the wireless access points in their computer labs. What they need to do is that they need to make their electronic library available over a network, and they need to connect with the institutions that they want to create the digital library with. So here's the solution for their network. It's pretty straightforward. They just add some servers so that they can move the collections from the computer labs onto the servers. It'll be more secure, and they can allow for the collections to develop over time. And then they are able to connect easier to the other institutions using the protocol in order to create the digital library. And this is a list of my resources. That's basically the end of the presentation. If you have any questions, leave a comment on YouTube and I will respond.